buzz, mind fuzz, static in the line. Voicemail's a ghost town, haunted all the time. Digits on repeat, reruns in my brain. Rotary thoughts spinning, stuck inside the same lane. Blurry snapshots of a face I can't delete. Polaroid memories shuffled on repeat. Lips taste of questions, answers out of tune. Midnight confessions, they evaporate by noon. Lonely ringtone hums in the dead of the night. I'll take care of you, but I don't know why. So I'll pick you up at 5, park your lot alive. Conversations jive, but my heart won't arrive. Traffic jams echo, rhythm of regret. Street lights blinking, Morse code I can't forget. You got a halo but it's bent at the edge. Words hit the pavement, they slip off the ledge. Backseat of the whip, radio on low. Static whisper secrets, only we would know. Your laugh's a boomerang, keeps coming back. But I'm chasing shadows, lost in the track. Ringtone hums in the dead of the night. I'll take care of you, but I don't know why. So I'll pick you up at 5, park your lot alive. Conversations jive, but my heart won't arrive.
Okay, that was the craziest thing I've ever done in my life.